Makita XLC02R1B Compact Cordless Vacuum Review. The Makita 18V Compact Lithium-Ion Cordless Vacuum Kit, model XLC02R1B, is a compact and powerful cordless vacuum with strong suction for fast and efficient cleaning. Key features. Comfort. Weighs only 2.7 pounds with battery for reduced operator fatigue. Convenience. Bagless two-stage cloth filtration system allows for easier cleaning and quicker debris disposal. Performance. Up to 15 minutes of continuous use from a single fully charged 18V Compact Lithium-Ion 2.0Ah battery. Versatility. Redesigned floor nozzle for improved maneuverability and debris collection. Features. Up to 15 minutes of continuous use from a single fully charged 18V Compact Lithium-Ion 2.0Ah battery. Redesigned floor nozzle for improved maneuverability and debris collection. Strong suction power for fast and efficient cleaning. Bagless two-stage cloth filtration system allows for easier cleaning and quicker debris disposal. Increased storage capacity for longer time between waste disposal. Only use genuine Makita batteries and chargers. Weighs only 2.7 pounds. With battery for reduced operator fatigue. At only 18 3/4 in length, this compact vacuum can be used as a hand vac, or with the floor nozzle extension for floors, carpets, and hard-to-reach spaces. The XLC02R1B is a kit and includes the fast-charging 18V compact lithium-ion battery and efficient rapid optimum charger. It's part of Makita's expanding 18V lithium-ion system, the world's largest cordless tool system powered by 18V lithium-ion slide-style batteries. Makita 18V lithium-ion batteries have the fastest charge times in their categories, so they spend more time working and less time sitting on the charger. For improved tool performance and extended battery life, Makita created Star Protection computer controls. Star Protection is communication technology that allows the Star Protection-equipped tool and battery to exchange data in real time and monitor conditions during use to protect against overloading, over-discharging and overheating. For increased versatility, the tool can also be powered by Makita 18V LXT and compact lithium-ion batteries with a star symbol on the battery indicating Star Protection inside. I'll leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.